Alright, so family, just want to give you a little video on how to install this Maxx air vent cover for the Soul Horizon. So there's a little tap here. It's covered by the silicone whatever gel thing right here, and you pretty much have to use a screwdriver and dig that hole in there where the clip goes and put a clip on there. So this to open and this to close it. It's literally really easy. Probably the hardest part is trying to climb up to the roof without sliding off this little slide here. And of course, this roof is not meant to be having any weights on it. So really easy install, $60 on Amazon. Really good investment. Up next, we're gonna be installing the Cyclone black water tank ventilation. Stay tuned.